already covered. Got this off eBay. Just like the color. Synthetic leather. Let's see. I'm sure that's not how it goes, but I just noticed I don't have this frame piece. Let's get the new leather boot cover. Boot cover is in for now. I guess that'll do. Today we're gonna be removing our shift knob and installing our new one. Pretty simple. All you gotta do is wiggle this out. But this knob just won't budge, man. I've been here for like 10 minutes already. So, sawing it off. Oh. Take off that rubber piece. Don't clean up the mess. This is fucking garbage, bro. Alright, after some slight modification, the new shift knob is now in. So it turns out the previous owner had put so much glue in the knob, bro, that the glue was stuck. So we had to saw it off. So we got that cleared out. We were able to put the new knob in without cutting any metal. It's not meant to be on the car, don't do it. Because then we gotta go do shit like this. Keep your car simple, keep it clean. I'm waiting for another shift boot that I got coming in. And once that gets here, I'll make another video if I have to. Alright, day 2 of my new shifter boot. Came in the mail today. And let's go ahead and install it. So in order to get this shifter boot out, just unclip the bottom end just like that. And that come off. In usual instances, you can take off this plastic clip and put it on the new shifter boot. But since this already came with one, I'm going to see if it fits. Nice material too. Looks nice. So I might have a problem.